no names to hold, where whispers have hardened and echoes grow cold. The sky forgets faces, the soul drinks the flame, yet something still burns in the sound of their name. The battle was lost, their brothers all gone, for shadows remain where once marched a throng. The smoke wrote their names on the bones of the land, yet silence won't claim them, they still make a stand. No trumpets, no glory, just steel in the vein, and a path through the ash where no hope remains. Beneath all the ruins, a spark still survives. They walk through the dark to keep memory alive. We march for the ones who fell to the ground, whose voices the wind still carries around. Just 4 of us left, but the battle's not done. We fight not for glory, but for everyone. The past is a wound that never goes dry. Through cracks in the time, we still see them cry. Their names aren't forgotten, they burn in our veins, reminding us loss is the price that remains. Our steps may be heavy, but never retreat, for memory's fire still drums in our beat. As long as the flames in our chest still ignite, we walk through the shadows, refusing the night. We march for the ones who fell to the ground, whose voices the wind still carries around. We are the last light when the silence takes hold, a fire still burning in ashes grown cold. If time is a blade, then we are the scar, a question that echoes from battles afar. No future is promised, no fate is set true, but onward we go with nothing to lose. They rise in the silence with no names to hold.